What if you could see a licensed doctor in minutes without leaving your house, sitting in traffic, or waiting in a clinic? I'll show you exactly how to use Teladoc Health the fast and easy way. First, download the Teladoc app or go to the Teladoc website. Create your account by entering your basic details, medical history, and insurance information if you have it. Once you're logged in, choose the type of care you need. Teladoc offers general medical visits, mental health support, dermatology, and more depending on your plan. Select your symptoms and request a visit. In many cases, you can connect with a licensed doctor within minutes or schedule a time that works for you. When it's time, join the appointment through the application or website. You'll speak to the doctor by phone or by video, explain your symptoms, and receive medical advice. If needed, prescriptions can be sent directly to your local pharmacy. After the visit, you can review everything inside your account. Fast, simple, and from anywhere. That's how Teladoc makes healthcare easier. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.